Howdy folks, Darren Ray Fonso here talking about workers' compensation or labor and industries as we call it here in the state of Washington. What I'm talking about today is what I've been doing is trying to uncover how the Democratic Party in the state of Washington uh, works and conspires to harm injured workers rather than help us, that they work to favor business instead of favor the grand bargain for the injured workers of America. And what I have found out as part of the Democratic Party here, as Senator Marilyn Chase and ex-representative, state representative Louis Marcuso, Luis Marcuso, I'm not sure I'm saying his name correctly, I begged for his help over 3 years ago for when he was in office to help me fight for the injured workers of America, and he refused to. Flat out refused to. And same with Senator Marilyn Chase. Marilyn Chase strung me along for a year and a half and said, bring me this info, Darren, bring me that info. Look this up for me, look that up for me. And after a year and a half, when Senator Sanders wrote the letter 3 years ago for minimum federal oversight, I sent her that, and she closed me out and said, nope, I'm not helping you anymore. When we found out what was needed to fix the war on injured workers in America today with some minimum federal oversight, my state lawmaker, Senator Marilyn Chase, ran for the fucking hills. And before she ran for the hills, I was also calling out her buddy, Senator Marco, Marco Illis, that's another one. Senator Luis Marcuso. I called him out for, he said he was for farm workers and he was helping immigrants and all this shit. And I'm saying, well, we have injured workers and 400 injured farm workers screaming out for help that he did not want to help. Anyways, he lost his bid, and then they gave him some other little Democrat job. Now he runs I forget what group it is, something to do with the trains here in the Northwest. Get on board the Northwest train something or other. Anyways, it's a Democrat little front group, which he now that he doesn't have a state job, he's shuffled off and given this other job that's basically a do-nothing job. And it's egregious to me at this point that people like Louis Marcuso and Senator Marilyn Chase have their daughters running my local Snohomish County Human Rights Commission. So when the injured workers go to seek help, and they don't get